Room namin sa Mandalay. Welcome, Gerardo Ramos. There you go. There's the kids. Alwin. Pepot. And the kids. Okay, ito yung aming kwarto dito sa Mandalay. Magkaroon tayo ng room tour. So, meron tayong malaking salamin yan dito sa entrance yan. Tapos yan yung mga kids. So, of course, andyan yung ating malaking TV. Yan. With my name on it. Welcome, Gerardo Ramos. Yan. Tapos, si Mrs. And of course, ito yung aming bed. There you go. Ngayon, ito yung aming closet. Of course, at ang aming bathroom. Merong malaking bathtub. Tapos dito yung likuan. At of course, dito ang ating kubeta. Yan yung ating kubeta. Okay, at syempre, ang sink ay meron tayong dalawang sink for hers and his sink yan. Oops, yan si Mr. Gerardo Ramos. Ako pala yan. Yan, okay, ito yung aming room dito. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Okay, this is our 5th days dito sa US. Yan, dito kami ngayon sa Las Vegas. Ito first day ng convention ng WFO. Marami na tao nakapila sa pintuan ng si Mrs. Pintuan ng arena. Yan, tapos ito sila kambal. So this is our first day ng convention. 2 days convention. Meron bukas. Okay, see you later.
Bag falls off 100 yards into a mile-long portage. I wonder if bears respect weekends. And that would be amazing.
Ayan, ito na yung day 5 namin. So, after na convention, explore muna namin yung Mandalay hotel ko anong meron yan. Sasara na pala, 7 na. Yan ang aming Tel Aviv. Yeah. I know. Central Casino. Ang subukan namin sumakay ng tram dito. Ayan. Libre naman ito. Pumunta lang sa kabilang hotel. Lakad kami dito sa strip. Las Vegas. Explore. Dito kami sa New York. Si Liberty. Saan doon yung MGM? Minus 43. Plus 43 sa labas. Pero lalakad kami. Gelato.
On the cup?
Yeah, on the cup. Much better.
7 Can I have 2 chocolate?
Same,
Sorry? Yes.
There you go. Happy?
Yes.
That's almost $10 each. How's gelato, Alistair? Ano yung masarap? Ha?
It's good, it's good.
Kaya nga.
How was it? Sarap?
Tama lang. Gagawin ko na lang mamaya.
Look, Alistair, parang... Yeah, ito na yung second day ng aming convention. Sabi lang pinakabang 6th. Actually, 6th day na namin dito sa US. Last day ng convention yan. So, ito, pasok pala kami.